Yeah.
Hello. I've started the recording. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Great. Okay, Sanvi. So I'll again start saying from nouns. The nouns are the names of everything in this world. Okay. From your name, my name, your school, everything that you have in your house is also called a noun. Everything which has a name. Living thing, non-living thing, everything. Okay.
Okay,
Sanvi,
ma'am.
am I fast? Or you can let me know if I'm fast, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So you understood, right? Now there are two subdivisions of nouns: common noun and proper noun. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what comes under common noun?
Mm,
Well, you're a girl, right? What are you? You're a girl?
Girl.
Yes. So girl comes under a common noun. Yes. Then you have
Yes,
a pet.
ma'am.
You have a pet.
No, ma'am.
No, okay, but all the animals like dogs, cats, tiger, lion, they all come under common noun. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
then your cities, your capitals, seas, oceans, everything comes under common noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you are a girl, so that comes under common noun. But what is your name? Sanvi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi is what? It's a proper noun. Okay, Sanvi is a proper noun, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And then
Okay,
now
ma'am.
you have a name of your school. What is the name of your school?
DAV Public School.
Okay, so your school is a common noun, but the name of the school, which is DAV Public School, is a proper noun. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood? Are you understanding? Am I going fast or am I okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what else you know about proper noun? Can you give me some examples?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, like tiger, it is a name of an animal, and eraser, it is a name of the thing, and
Okay. Now, name of the animal, tiger, is actually called as a common noun, not a proper noun. Okay. Proper noun is something that you name a tiger. For example, now you have a white tiger. White tiger is a particular tiger. Name of that particular tiger, right? That becomes a proper noun. Now you have for example, if you have a dog as a pet, okay, the dog is a common noun. But you name the dog like Snowy. You name a dog Snowy. So that Snowy is a proper noun. Alright?
okay,
You
ma'am.
understand the difference between a common noun and a proper noun now? You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like your mother, your father, grandfather, uncle, auntie, then all your relatives, all your friends, they all come under common noun because they're name of a common people. Now when you have a particular friend, who's your best friend? What's her name?
Mm, Shagun.
Sorry?
Shagun.
Shagun. So Shagun is the name of a friend. So
Yes,
Shagun
ma'am.
is a proper noun. Alright? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know some? And I'll go to a short topic, a small topic in noun that is called collective noun. You know about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me some names?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a group of people, group of things, group of
Group of people, group of things, right? Now there's crowd of people gathered outside your building. So that crowd of people becomes a collective noun, right? Then you're eating
okay, ma'am.
bunch of grapes. Buy a bunch of grapes. It's in a bunch, right? It's in a bunch. So it's called bunch of grapes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now the other thing you have flowers. What do you call when the flower is in a bouquet? What do you call it?
Flower. Bouquet in a flower.
Bouquet of flowers. Very good. Now you have a sheep going in a big flock. What are they called?
Mm,
They're called flock of sheep. They're called flock of sheep. So how you make a sentence out of it? Flock of sheep are grazing down a hill. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now you see birds also up. What do you
Yes,
call them?
Mm,
What do you call them? You also call a flock of birds. Okay? Now there's so many musicians on the stage playing a band. Sanvi, sorry, I can't hear you. Sanvi?
a
Yes,
band of magicians.
yes, band of musicians are playing on a stage in a live performance, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I think you're clear with nouns, right? Are you clear with all the small topics of nouns?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is another? I'll just give you brief. Hello. I'll just give you a brief understanding and explanation of every topic. I just gave you a small brief.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Actually, even your side is a network bandwidth is low, that is what I'm getting. Are your parents there? Hello. Hello. You're completely gone, Sanvi. I can't see you at all now. I mean, I can see you, but there's a big. Hello. Sudhir Sarji. Okay, I'll give a brief explanation of every topic. Okay, just for the demo. That's it. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you're completely clear with nouns, I suppose? Right?
What are you saying?
Are you completely clear with the nouns? And then only I'll go ahead with another topic.
Ma'am, clearly.
Sanvi, want to say something?
Ma'am, what are you saying?
You want me to take up another topic like adjective? Do you know what are adjectives? In third standard, were you taught something?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are adjectives? Adjectives are description, right? Adjectives are, you've gone muted again. Unmute yourself. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Adjectives are what? A description, right? Describing nouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me an example?
Mm, mm,
Okay, which color t-shirt have you worn?
Ma'am, yellow.
Yellow. So, I have worn a yellow t-shirt. Sanvi has worn a yellow t-shirt. Yellow is describing, that color is describing your t-shirt. T-shirt is also a noun, right? Your
Okay, ma'am.
dresses, your t-shirt, everything is called a noun.
Okay, ma'am.
So, that is called an adjective. Can you give me an example now?
Okay, ma'am. But-
You can talk about your favorite color of your of your clothes or of your flowers. Which flower you like? You can talk about
I like rose.
you like rose, right? But now you're going to describe that rose.
The rose is in the red color.
The rose is red in color. Is not the red. The red is wrong. You have to say rose is red. Okay? So rose is a noun and you're describing by telling it's a red in color. So rose is red. The red is an adjective of rose. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So red is describing the rose. Okay, so rose is red. So what else can you give me?
Ma'am, another example.
Yes. Hmm. Okay, I would say Sanvi is a very sweet and a cute girl. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
So I've described you. I described you as a sweet and a cute girl. Okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So what else does Sanvi like? You like to dance?
Yes, ma'am.
You like to dance or you like to draw? You're an artist?
Yes, ma'am. I want to become an artist.
You want to become an artist? Wow. So, Sanvi,
And I also want to become a dancer also.
very good. That's nice.
And I want to also become a cooker also.
What else you want to become?
Cooker also.
Cook. You have to become a cooker. You have to become a cook. Cooker is a pressure cooker. Okay. So now, so you like to be an art. You're an artist and a dancer. So what shall we say? Sanvi is a brilliant artist, or is a very good artist, Sanvi is a very good dancer. So that very good is an adjective because I'm describing you as an artist. I'm describing an artist, right? I'm describing you as a very good dancer, right? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. You, yes, ma'am? Can we have a yes, ma'am? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think we should cut short the demo and maybe I can speak with your parents.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. All right. So now I've given you 2 to 3 examples of adjective. What can you give me?
Ma'am, I can give you. I have red roses.
Very good. Then
I has a yellow T-shirt.
you have a yellow t-shirt. You have a yellow t-shirt, right? I have a yellow t-shirt.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Here it is. From here it's okay.
Ma'am, now it is coming.
Okay. Maybe something in the network. So what else? I have a yellow t-shirt. Then after that?
Ma'am, and that mm, I have a red hairband.
Yes, you're wearing one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I think the demo is over. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm hoping you are, yes? You like to see more? Like to listen more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what else would you like to tell me? Why don't you tell me about yourself? You told me you're a good artist, you're a dancer. Now you're going to tell me everything about you.
I am in three minds, sorry. I want to become an artist. I want to become an
A dancer.
dancer, and I want to become a cook.
You want to do 3 things. Wow.
Yes.
I think cooking you can do side by side while you dance and while you make an artist, while you draw, right? So you in artist, you like to do only sketching, or you like to draw everything, or you like to paint more. What do you like?
Ma'am, in art I like craft and paintings and colors.
Paintings and colors. Wow.
And in dance I like everything like Kathakali, etc.
Are you training yourself in
Yes,
some?
ma'am. I know how to do Kathakali.
Wow. Such a talented girl. Now I gave you another adjective. A talented girl. Sanvi is very talented. Is a talented girl. So that talented is also an adjective. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, there are many kinds of adjectives, but I will not go that right now. Okay? So now give me, I'll go to another small topic. I'm just giving you idea of every topic. Okay? I'm not going to discuss every topic in detail right now. I'll just give you some idea. All right?
Okay,
You know
ma'am.
articles? You know articles?
Yes.
A, and the. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, very simple. What is the difference between a and the? Do you know? Can you give me some
Yes.
examples?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, what is a and what is the?
Ma'am, an is used for a vowel.
Yes.
A, E, I,
O, U.
O, U.
Yes, very good.
And is used for alphabet
Consonants.
consonants, which have not A, I, O, U.
Other than the vowels, rest all are called the consonants, and we say for that. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
And it is goes also as per the sound of every word. With this, I'll show you and teach you when we are going ahead with that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, A and an is for a single thing. Single thing, right? An apple, an airplane, an egg,
Egg.
an elephant, right? Well,
Yes, ma'am.
a is like, what is a? Can you give me some example? A table, a chair, a book, a cup of tea, a, right?
Okay,
A glass.
ma'am.
So this is all for a single item, one thing.
Ma'am, but the is used for.
The is used for particular thing as well as plurals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that could also lead to a singular thing. Now, for example, I'll give an example of the. Now, the elephant is walking on the road. Why am I saying the elephant and not an elephant? What is the difference here?
Because it is a particular.
Elephant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So like right now I'm standing here, I'm seeing that elephant walking on the road. That's why I said the elephant is walking on the road. Hana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The apples are sweet. The books are brand new. The clothes I wear are all new. Yes? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the difference. Now I'm talking about a and an. It is for a singular item, or it could be generic, general. It's not a particular thing, it's just general. Okay? I say I love to eat an apple every day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not saying anything, I'm just saying generally I like to eat an apple every day. That's it. That's why I've given an apple. I love to eat mangoes.
Okay,
Sanvi loves to eat mangoes every day. Here I'm saying plural. Why? I'm not talking about one particular mango. You love to eat lots of mangoes. Sanvi loves to eat many mangoes. Right? Understood? Sanvi, did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. You go mute and unmute quite often, huh? So I can't hear you after 10. Okay? I think I'll cut short the demo now. Otherwise, I'll go on and on with every chapter and you'll be kind of, oh my God, this teacher is giving me so many things in one shot only. I don't want that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So everything has to go very slow. It cannot happen overnight. So every chapter with examples and exercises, only you become perfect for that thing. Right? For that particular chapter, you only become perfect with practice. Yes? So you will understand the basic of it. But when it comes with twist, you should know how to answer that also. Okay?
Okay,
So I
ma'am.
will cut short the demo now. I think I'm done enough. Okay? You
Okay,
also know
ma'am.
me well now. If you want to learn ahead from me, it's very good. It's all up to you. Okay?
Okay,
It was
ma'am.
very nice meeting you. I really like you very innocent. I like your innocence in your eyes. It's very sweet and nice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day.
Same to you.